Guys, I want to apologize about the last video. I have so many questions about how to create the perfect strike, and this is my chance to show you. Hi guys, I will show you how to create your perfect strike Gundam, but first we will be needing the Ale Strike backpack from 6630. And we will actually slide this part to reveal the peg holes that we will be attaching the weapons to. Of course, we will be using the adapter pieces for the sword for this to get attached to, as shown on this video clip. And once that is actually attached to this adapter piece, you then attach the adapter piece to the L Strike backpack as shown. Same will be done on the actual cannon or the launcher weapon. So first things first, we detach the actual backpack like so. Then we remove the actual weapon, the launcher weapon. And then we use this adapter piece, which can be found on either both of the version of this kit. And then you simply attach this adapter piece to the hole like so. And then you attach the launcher weapon piece like this. And I will be getting the battery or ammo pack from the actual RM version, this one, and attach it like so. There you have it, the perfect strike backpack piece, which includes the sword and the launcher weapon. And all you need to do is attach it to the either of the two, but since we have the Gatling and the actual weapons for the shoulders, we will attach it on this version. By the way, shout out to these guys who actually asked the questions, and I would really like to thank you for the feedback about this, and that's why I have this additional video since I'm being asked a lot of questions about compatibility. So here you go. We have the perfect strike Gundam on the right side, and on the left is the one that is the Strike Gundam with the standard rifle and shield. It's a bit back heavy, but as shown on the last video, this can actually support this weight with minimal issue. By the way guys, thank you for those comments. I really appreciate you providing me such feedback to better my video each time I upload one. And please don't hesitate to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next review.